How to apply for a loan in Barclays app. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official Barclays website by typing barclays.co.uk in the address bar. Once you are on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will see the source icon. Tap on it and type loans in the search bar. You will now see a list of all loans available through Barclays. From the list, select personal loan if that's the type you are looking for. This section provides all the key information about the loan, including interest rates, repayment option, and top-up features. Barclays personal loans offer flexible payment terms, allowing you to choose a plan that suits your needs and budget, whether you are repaying over a shorter or longer period. To apply for a loan, you must be a UK resident, aged 18 or over, and have a Barclays current account. This helps the bank assess your eligibility and process your application smoothly. Next, scroll down to the Resume Your Application section where you will find a button that says Open in App. Tap on it and it will automatically redirect you to Barclays app, allowing you to continue and complete your application from there. You can also use the personal loan calculator available on the website to estimate your borrowing and repayment figures before starting your application. Now you know how to apply for a loan in Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.